Hey, Chris Negley with Elegant Estates. Just wanted to take a couple of seconds and talk to you about the open graded base stone on permeable and semi-permeable bases. This is a project that we're doing out in Auburn, New York. It is a semi-permeable project. It's a standard paver with a permeable joint, and it's all on open graded stone. And we're installing French drains all the way around the outside edge of this project because we have grading coming down. That's why we're using the open graded material for the base. Now, rather than, there's two options here. We can either do poured troweled concrete around the outer edge, or we can use our aluminum hybrid edge, as you see laid out here. Again, it is aluminum, and when it's open graded, we'll use these V stakes every foot. Actually, it's a little bit more than a foot, and that will lock in to the open graded stone and prevent any kind of migration of the pavers on a lateral basis. So it works very well. That'll all get covered up, so you won't see that. It will not heave. It'll be in open graded stone, so it will not pop up and out. And again, it'll be covered with either soil, or in this case, we're doing gravel on the outside edge. So that'll be all covered with the open graded stone. So that is our hybrid edging. If you see it in any of our quoting, or if you hear me talking about it on videos, that's what it is.